Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore investing discipline using Wealthfront step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Wealthfront website. Create an account by entering your email address and a secure password. Once logged in, complete your investor profile by providing details about your financial goals. Set your risk tolerance by answering questions about your investment preferences and comfort with market fluctuations. Review the recommended investment portfolio that Wealthfront generates based on your profile. Adjust the portfolio if necessary, or proceed with the suggested allocations. Fund your investment account by linking your bank account and transferring the initial investment amount. Enable automatic deposits to maintain a regular investment schedule. Explore the financial planning tools available to set clear objectives for your investments. Use the goal-setting feature to track your progress towards specific milestones, such as retirement or buying a home. Regularly review your asset allocation to ensure it aligns with your goals. Monitor your investments through the Wealthfront dashboard for updates on performance. Make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed, based on your life changes or market conditions. Stay disciplined by sticking to your investment plan, even during market fluctuations. Take advantage of Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting feature to optimize your returns. Remember to focus on the long-term benefits of disciplined investing rather than short-term market noise. Commit to revisiting your investment strategy periodically to stay aligned with your changing financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.